Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Enable combat logging in-game and install the Warcraft Logs uploader. This saves raw combat data. Once done, record the fight, start logging before pulls and stop after wipes or boss kills because missing seconds break parses. Next, open the uploader, drag your raid log, TXT file, and select the correct encounter, choose a guild or personal upload. Make sure to name the fight clearly, then submit so parsing begins. This is the first actionable step to get usable data quickly. You now analyze. Open the parsed fight and switch to the metric you need, like damage or healing, because that tells you what succeeded. Once done, use the timeline and events to find damage spikes, buff uptimes, and deaths. These explain why numbers changed. Make sure to set phase markers for mechanics, then filter by player or spec to isolate performance. By comparing casts per minute and ability uptime, you'll see where rotations failed and what to improve next. Finish by turning insights into action. Export summaries, copy the fight link, and post the key findings to your raid chat so everyone knows what to work on. Once done, drill down into per ability windows to make specific action items, swap talents, adjust cooldown timing, or change positioning. If teammates report odd numbers, make sure to re-upload the same log. Mismatched phases or corrupted timestamps are fixed by re-exporting from the client, then parsing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.